Hey you guys, it's Lucinda. So this is another project that I just completed, and I'm super excited that I finally had the opportunity to just finish this. But this is my three-tier centerpiece that I'm going to put um, somewhere in my kitchen for sure. But I just wanted this. I kept looking at some videos on YouTube and realized how simple the project was, and so I just was like, hey, I'm going to put me one of these together. But listen, I do want to apologize to you guys because I didn't start from the beginning on this project when I started it. I had already painted it after I realized that I hadn't recorded it. Um, I didn't think I was going to have my YouTube channel up at this point, posting stuff. So by the time all this just started happening, I'd already started on this project. So let me first of all say that I am sorry for not starting at the beginning of this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making another one of these. But let me just share with you what I've got going on. All these items are from the Dollar Tree. As you can tell, this is a pizza platter. And these are cake platters. They're just different sizes. And I hope that that helps you out a little bit more. These pieces that are in the center, they're actually candle holders. I'm telling you guys, I'm so excited about this project. But they're candle holders, and what I did, I actually, when I painted the project, I I hot glued it to begin with, and it didn't really stick. And I'm not sure if it was because of it being painted already. Maybe I should have just hot glued it first, then painted. I'm not sure. But once I do my second one, I'll kind of play with the hot gluing part of it. But I did hot glue it, and then I also put some E6000 on it as well to secure it a little bit more. But overall, I think the project turned out really good. The color that I used was a beige, and I got the paint from Walmart. And then I took like a light brown, and I just kind of done some splashes here and there, and I'll let you take a look at my little splashes that I did. Just to kind of give it that farmhouse look, I think, because I'm thinking that's the direction that I'm going to go in with some of my decorating once the holidays are over with. But I really do like the way this platter turned out. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. And hey, I'm new to YouTube, so subscribe to my channel. There's going to be some more videos coming later on this week. So I hope that you enjoyed this one, guys. Once again, thanks. Have a fabulous day.